In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your SoundCloud music on your Instagram story with sound. This can be a great way to share your music with your followers and add a dynamic element to your Instagram profile, helping you reach a wider audience. So, let's dive right in and get started. First up, you're going to want to open the SoundCloud app on your mobile device. Everything we'll be doing today is right here, so make sure you have it ready. If you haven't logged in yet, just use your account details, and if you haven't downloaded the app, you'll need to do that from your App Store before we proceed. Once you're logged in and ready to go, find the track you're looking to share. You might want to spend a moment here to pick the right track, something that represents your style. Tap on it to open the track page. You'll see different options here, but the one we're interested in right now is the Share button. It usually looks like an arrow and is often located below the track details or next to it. This is our key to getting that music onto Instagram. Now, when you tap on the Share button, a menu of sharing options will appear. Look through these options and select the Instagram icon, which will allow you to share directly to your Instagram story. Sounds straightforward, right? Just tap on the Instagram icon. After choosing to share on Instagram, the Instagram app should open automatically. If it doesn't for some reason, ensure you're logged into Instagram on your device. Once in Instagram, the song you selected will appear as a story draft with its artwork. This is a great time to get creative. Instagram offers a variety of features you can use to enhance your story, so feel free to add stickers, text, or even GIFs to make it more engaging. Remember, sharing is not just about the music, but also about creating a vibrant visual experience for your followers. When you're happy with how your story looks, simply hit the Your Story button at the bottom of your screen to share it with your followers. And there you have it, your SoundCloud music is now on your Instagram story, complete with sound. This is such a great way to let your audience hear your music directly from Instagram, and they can head over to SoundCloud if they want to hear more. While this process is simple, make sure your apps are updated to the latest versions to avoid any technical glitches. This workflow takes advantage of seamless app integrations, making sharing fast and easy. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to post your SoundCloud music on Instagram Story with sound. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to explore more of our how-to videos for additional tips and tricks. Until next time, happy sharing and keep the music alive.